how to send payment link on Square. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing you guys how you will be able to send your payments as a payment link or your charges as a payment link. So right now, I'm currently using the Square POS app on my mobile phone, and simply open the keypad on the top left, press that, and simply type the amount of money that you need someone to pay. So for example, I want someone to pay $50 or $500, and I want to send the payment as a payment link. So simply click on Review Sale, click on Charge $500, scroll down a bit, and you can see here Send Payment Link. So simply click that, and the payment link will be generated for you. Now, if you share this link or send the link to the person that you want to charge, if they accomplish and select this, they will be paying you the $500 or the amount that you have selected to charge to them. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.